Welcome back to another Level Up Health video. In this video, we'll be going over the Mediterranean diet and the 6 best breakfast ideas. When you are following an eating plan, it can be easy to get into a breakfast rut. Fortunately, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and foods like nuts, seeds, and fish. And these ingredients can create a variety of tasty and filling breakfasts. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump in and identify 6 of the simplest yet best things to eat for breakfast when you are following the Mediterranean diet. Number 1. Toast with peanut butter and banana. This simple, no-cook meal can be thrown together in moments and eaten on the go. With whole grain bread, you'll be eating more fiber and vitamins than in white bread, and that will help you stave off those mid-morning munchies. Peanut butter offers those great, healthy fats with its protein, and the banana will add some sweetness, more fiber, and potassium. Number 2. English muffin with greens and beans. Another easy breakfast on the Mediterranean diet is opting for an English muffin piled high with hearty toppings. Smear a whole grain English muffin with bean spread before adding a handful of potassium-packed spinach, and then top it off with a poached egg. Any bean dip will do here, such as hummus, black bean dip, or white bean dip. With a little salty and tangy flavor along with its nutritional punch, it's a great stand-in for cheese, which should be used only sparingly. Number 3. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is strained in a way that makes it higher in protein than regular yogurt. Yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which are good bacteria necessary for many bodily functions. If you want a bit of sweetness, you can add a light drizzle of honey. And for an extra crunch, try adding ground flaxseed. It's rich in omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are important for fighting inflammation in the body. It's recommended to choose ground flaxseed rather than regular flaxseed because they are absorbed better in the body. Number 4. Almonds and almond butter. Almonds are a popular snack and ingredient in the Mediterranean meals from breakfast through to dinner. Almonds offer a filling and energizing combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats to help you feel satisfied. Slivered or sliced almonds are a delicious addition to your oatmeal, cereal, granola, muesli, yogurt, ricotta, or whole grain muffins, while almond butter is perfect drizzled over whole grain pancakes, waffles, and fruit. Number 5. Eggs. Incorporate protein-heavy eggs into your Mediterranean breakfast by topping smoked salmon toast with a poached egg or by scrambling them with feta cheese and tomatoes. Another tip from the Mediterranean diet: eat the yolks. Egg yolks contain fat, which helps you stay satisfied longer. Egg yolks are also rich in choline, a nutrient that is needed for brain health and helps transport nutrients around your body. So there will be no egg white only omelets here, as the Mediterranean diet focuses on whole foods. Number 6. Avocado. Although they are not native to the Mediterranean region, avocados do offer monounsaturated fat, which is the same type found in olive oil. These fats offer heart-healthy benefits and can help with satiety, feeling of fullness, and suppression of hunger. Avocados are also a good source of fiber at approximately 3 grams per serving, which is about 1/3 of a medium avocado. Fiber also helps you stay full and helps keep your blood sugar levels more stable, which is crucial to stabilizing weight, mood, and energy levels. Though having an avocado and eating with a spoon is totally an option, you can also add avocado to smoothies, baked eggs, or even savory oatmeal. That wraps up this video on the Mediterranean diet and the 6 best breakfast ideas. So do you think you'll start adding some of the foods listed to your diet, as they are actually pretty simple and not overly complicated to make? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know. But as always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, consider hitting that like button as it helps the channel grow and it also lets me know you guys are enjoying the content. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.